We're about to show you the Work Systems Organizational Diagnostic System, and as we go through this presentation, I believe you will find it to be a system that very significantly simplifies the business challenge of getting better faster. When you look at the ODS, really it is an executive measurement instrument that allows you to see how well your organization is performing, but what also is important is it helps you prioritize the actions that you need to take in order to get better performance of the organization. It becomes a very, very effective tool for helping executives focus and identify on what they need to do in order to get better performance. It's based on a model of what needs to be done, where performance is required, and then it provides you a way to measure effectiveness against that model. And this diagram you see here basically shows you the major elements of the model, which we will drill into a little bit more. It is structured in such a way that it makes it fairly easy to manage and to address the three major areas that you're looking at: our vision, culture, and practices in individual work. And those are broken down into 9 major focus areas. The 9 major focus areas are broken down into 31 action issues, which are composed of 134 standard questions. The system then gives you measurements against what the senior managers feel the health of the organization is, how things are going for managers on those same issues, and how things are going for individuals on the same issues, which gives you a very clear razor-like sharpness to being able to look at the organization and what you need to be doing. Some analogies that make sense when you think of the ODS. There's not really very many instruments like it that we know of, but it allows you, like an MRI, when you're concerned about the body health and not performing, it actually allows you to see the MRI. You see the heart and the kidneys and different parts of the body and what's going on and whether they're healthy and what's causing sickness. It allows you to see the health of behaviors, basically, that are critical to exceptional performance and how well you're doing in getting those types of behaviors existing within the company. An example of that would be whether employees are given clear instructions on and they have a clear understanding of what they need to be doing, or whether they're confused. Like a financial statement, it really helps you manage more effectively, and it focuses in on priorities that need to be addressed to get better results. That's what you do with a financial statement. You read it, you look at it, and you go, okay, what do we need to take action on? What's working well, what's not? What do we need to celebrate? Oh, we got a problem here. We need to address it very quickly, and you manage organizations with financial statements. It functions that way around the human side of the enterprise, the things that affect whether people perform or not, whether you get good performance out of your people or not. And really it becomes much like if you're not getting horsepower out of the car, you can put it on a dyno and say it's not performing very well, and most executives know that level of understanding. But this allows you to go in and say, you know, we've got a couple of bad